welcome to your geography class, and here we are covering manufacturing industries. This would be the last lecture for this chapter. In this today we are doing the control of environmental degradation. As we have done in the last class, there are the many pollutants which is produced by the industries, and they are harmful not only for the human beings. In fact, it is also harmful for the aquatic animals. So it became our duty to protect them. If you will see, then 1 liter wastewater can pollute 8 times the quality of the fresh water, and daily how much you can calculate the industries are wasting water into the freshwater rivers. Then we can give some suggestions for that. Then first is reducing and recycling of water. So in this the reusing and recycling of water, whatever the water is being used by the industries, they can reuse them and they can reuse them by recycling. And second thing, they can use the rainwater harvesting by with the help of this rainwater harvesting we can protect the groundwater level. Then next is treatment of the industrial influence can be done in the 3 phases, like primary treatment, secondary treatment and tertiary treatment. In the primary treatment, there is the screening, grinding, percolation and sedimentation. The step-wise, firstly we will have to observe what kind of pollutants are there. Then after that, adopting the grinding and percolation method, then we have the sedimentation, so that we can find out which kind of pollutants can be segregated in what way. Then next is secondary treatment. Treatment, in this we can adopt the biological process, and in the tertiary treatment we can have the biological. With the biological process we have chemical, physical process also, and then the recycling of wastewater can be done. So after suggestion we have the NTPC, that is National Thermal Power Corporation. This is the basically it is used to produce the electricity, and it has ISO certificate for EMS. So ISO, it means International Organization for Standardization certificate. It is basically, if you will see, that it is a non-governmental body, and it is providing a kind of certificate which ensures that this particular organization has the security. It is not going to deplete or we can say it will not be harmful for the environment. So this certificate for EMS, it means Environment Management System. So it has the proactive approach for preserving the natural environment. NTPC is using proactive approach for preserving the natural environment. For suppose they are using the optimum utilization of the equipments, adopting the latest technology. When there is if you will talk about the electricity, then though we are having other options also, like hydroelectricity and geothermal energy also we can have for generating electricity. But today at present also we are using the maximum, India is using maximum electricity which is produced by the thermal power plant. So at present in India, the NTPC is adopting this habit, and if you will see that Maharashtra is producing, Maharashtra has the largest thermal power plants for production of the electricity. Then in this maximizing the ash utilization, what they used to do, the ash which is produced by the after burning coal, then they are using these ash for making the bricks, and those bricks will be used for the construction work. So by this also they can have they are minimizing the environmental degradation. Second is green belt for ecological balance. Wherever you will have the NTPC, then definitely you must have observed that there are the green belt around this plant. So what is that? Just to minimize the air pollution. Then this thing also you must have observed that there is no kind of bird can be seen over there because of the radiation, because it is a power plant. So definitely radiation will. So the NTPC is using the for the ecological balance, and ash pond management, and water recycling system. So wherever you will have the NTPC, they are having the green belts just to minimize the air pollution, and they are also having the online database management, so that each and every NTPC is connected with each other with the help of this online database management, so that if there is any problem, then they easily can get the solution. So here was the control of environmental degradation. Here we have done some suggestions, and also we can have the example of NTPC, that these suggestions are not only for the suggestion. In fact, NTPC is using these suggestions. They are adopting these suggestions and reducing the environmental degradation. Thank you.